Hey Unicorn Gang, so right now I have this bad slime. I'm gonna fix it. It's not that good actually. With hard gel. And maybe some things, some other things, but it might be this. Just add some scoops of hair gel. And you will be good. And it might get sticky, so you might need some activator. Hell no. I don't need no activator. Because I have no activator. This one my friend gave it me. And I buy slimes for 50 cents. This big patch for 50 cents. I buy 2 of these for $1. And she makes them good. These aren't from her. These are from my other friend, but they dried up. That's why I'm fixing it. Trying not to get my clothes dirty. Because I'm going to go to Sada's house. I'm taking my slime. Of course. Oh, my phone's dying. My best friend is a bad. It says a bad the B word. It's more stretchy, but I want the texture. So there's a guy in my house. He's robbing stuff. I'm just kidding. There's a Spectrum guy in my house, and yeah, cause he's fixing the TVs. Don't know for what and why. So it's getting kind of sticky, so I'm like, add some more, but not much more. Yeah. Cause my mic should. I think that might be enough. I think. I never said yeah, that's enough. Said I think, but I don't know. Said I think, but I don't know. Yeah, this might be enough. See, yeah, it's getting sticky. You guys can't tell, but it's fine. I used to have a bunch of slime, but I mixed them all together and I left them outside because I was playing and I forgot them outside. And they got mold. So I left them outside for more days and more days because it was already mold. Damn, girl, this slime's bomb. But it's kind of sticky, but who cares? It's bomb as slime. Who's gonna know I put hair gel in it? You guys and me. So guys, it does work with this clear hair gel. Let me show you guys the package. Sorry about the lighting, just that the light up on us. And see, I'm in the restroom, but who cares? We can't. They say sometimes the slime gets bigger. I don't believe that. So I'm not scared. So I think that might be enough slime. But it's getting sticky. I don't want it to get sticky. So guys, if you guys can see, this is my slime. And so yes, it did work. So yeah. I actually give it a 4 because it's a 4.5. It's not bad. It's not good. I like it actually. I like it, but I think something's needed in here because it dries up fast. That's all. Then I need to keep adding and adding gel. So if you guys want a shout out on next week's video, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and follow me on my Instagram and Snapchat. On my mom's Instagram, I post my stuff because I can't download stuff on my phone. I don't know why. I need a little bit more gel. It's